guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore my hair flying like this. I do have the fan going on. It is really hot in here, so it is what it is. But if you do like this whole eyeshadow look, I do have a video for it. If it's out, I'll leave it in the eye or my description. Otherwise, wait for it. It's definitely coming out soon. But today's video is an unboxing video, and it is a subscription box unboxing. As you can see in the title, today's video is for the Confetti Collections Box. This is their June-July box, and I'm so excited to get into it because they have such cute items all the time. These are like 8 giftable items, stationaries, novelty, and yeah, I have a lot of cute things from them, like cute pens, and they do a lot of like gift wrapping stuff and bows and things like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in it. Also, I cannot tell you how many times I have reused boxes like this. I just love the way it is. And they do such a good job packing everything. Alright, so all of it is with this right here. It comes in a cute tissue paper and their cute little sticker. Now these are bi-monthly subscriptions and they're $19.99 plus shipping. But yeah, I feel like you get such cute items with this, and definitely giftable stuff where people will be like, wow, where did you get that? It's really cute stuff in here. Alright, so this box is called Summer Surprise, and it says send your sweet friends a little surprise this summer, drop off a fun gift, or send them a note to let them know you're thinking about them. That's really sweet. And then it just gives you all their socials and information about them, and I will leave all of that in my description if you are interested in getting a box like this. So the first thing that I see is this card that says hello sunshine. They have the cutest cards, and the message inside is wishing you all the best things in life. And this is by X&O Paper Goods, and a lot of things in here are by C.R. Gibson, and I mean, the talent is amazing. That's how cute the card is, and it has little patches of like ice cream and a drink and glasses. So I think this is so cute. I know we don't do a lot of mailing, everything is on the phone, but I think it's nice to send a friend or someone you care about a card just to let them know that you're thinking about them. I think that concept is so sweet. I feel like that doesn't get done enough. Someone just sent me a card just like that, I would think like, oh my gosh, what a sweetheart. So I think, you know, doing some kind things for your friends and family is always a good thing. So cards like this really make them feel special, and I love how everything is made. It has like the halo colors for the hello sunshine and the border, and I just think the card is so adorable. Next, I see this pen. It is cute. Even the box it comes in is cute. How cute is this pen? It's so pretty. It has the cute little pineapple on top. It's rose gold, and yeah, I think the whole thing is just so cute. I feel like this is something I would find in like a Hallmark store, or even like a Home Goods in their like office section. I just love Home Goods. But I feel like a lot of these things are things I would find in those kind of places, just like cute things for the house. I have decorated a lot of the space in my office with cute things that I got from Confetti Collections. So we do have some more cards, and I love that their cards have things that you can use from them. It's not just a card that you can just throw away or keep safe, but you can actually have things that are useful from them. So like this one has these 3 little binder clips, and it says hustle and heart have set you apart. And the message inside says, thank you for making a difference. Cards are something you always keep on hand in case of a birthday, in case of, you know, any other events. And these are so general that I like that you can use it for even birthdays. So this one says, put on your dancing shoes and let's boogie, and has a little pin. And this is their Halloween card. But yeah, I don't know why they're sending a Halloween card right now, but whatever, I like it. Next, they have a gift card holder. Of course, gift cards are the way to go nowadays with gifting. So yeah, this will be useful. And they also give a gift bag. I think the design is cute. I like the ribbons. It's just like a simple gift bag, but it's just cute, and you can put your own cute little touch to it. So this over here says remember, and it is like a little ceramic like little container where you can put like your jewelry in or anything else you want to kind of like keepsake. Actually, I might keep this where I film because I have a lot of rings and stuff that I use when I film, and I like to just keep them here, but they're just laying on the table. Now I have something to put it in. I'm trying to get more organized, you guys. Like, I'm really trying. I feel like I need to get like things kind of like in order. But yeah, the first thing is organization, because I feel like if there's clutter, I really can't think straight, and lately I feel like it's been a lot of clutter, so things like this really help to organize things. And I love cute stuff because I like to interior decorate, so cute items are definitely a must just to make the space look like a place that you really want to spend some time in. So yeah, I'm all about that. Next item is this adorable little purse, and it is a diamond shape with halo detailing. So this is actually an emergency kit, and it has 2 high heel protectors, 5 bobby pins, 4 double stick tape, 2 hairbands, 4 earring backs, 1 emery board, 3 safety pins, 3 band-aids. What? And it has like a little hook right here that you can hook it onto your purse or something, especially when you're traveling or going to like a wedding. I am definitely that girl that has way too much in my bag. I have extra bobby pins in my bag. I have extra safety pins in my bag. I have extra things in my bag just in case of an emergency. I overthink everything, but this really helps. So it has all these little things in here. How cute! Last but not least, and this is the biggest item in here, this is a light up marquee sign. What? Oh, it is a battery operated light up marquee sign. Okay, so let's open it up. I love the color of the box. So this is the board. It has an off and on switch and also a place to put your batteries. And you can also hang it up. And you get all these like letters that you can just put in there. It's really cute. I feel like I can put it like back there. That would be really adorable. I wonder if I have batteries. You know what? Hold on. Alright guys, so how cute is this? This is actually lit up. I know you guys can't tell too much, but that's turned off and this is on. And actually it can do battery or USB port. So there is like a little port right here that you can plug it in. This is so cute. I can definitely like put it up somewhere. Like maybe here. I don't know. I really like this. So yeah, it comes with like a whole bunch of stuff and like little ice cream cones and diamonds and smiley face and exclamation mark, and it also has like a different color, like orange as well. So I feel like this is definitely a good thing to have around to decorate your place. It's just so adorable. So yeah, so that makes everything. I really like everything I got. I think I am the most excited for this. I can have some fun with this. Everything else is so cute. I love the pen. I just think the attention to detail for everything is just amazing. Again, I will leave all the information for Confetti Collections in my description, so go check that out. And I also have some other Confetti Collection videos from the past, so if you guys want to see the other items that they usually give out, you can go check those out. But yeah, I'll leave all the information in my description. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! So seriously guys, subscribe. I'm gonna have so much fun with this.